So welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm back with another video. It's been a little minute. I know it's been like 2 weeks since I posted, and I didn't mean for it to be that long, but life is crazy. This is from Nadula Hair. If you are familiar with my channel, and if you're not, welcome, get familiar. But if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I recently did a video on the Nadula Hair 26-inch wig that I customized. I got it as a 24. I added some bundles to it, made it a 26. I've been rocking it on and off for a little while. This is the update. This is her, and she's holding up strong. In this video, I really just showed you how I get her bone straight, like in a hurry. So say you got somewhere to go and you don't have time to section your hair into small sections and run the flat iron, then I just showed you my like quick simple way to get my hair silky straight. As you can see, it's bolts with a T straight. These are the ends, still living. The lace is still everything. Really love their lace. This is a 13x6 lace front wig. If you want the details or you want to check their website out, check the link in the description box. So aside from using the flat iron, I did use my wax stick. Wax stick is very vital to flyaway hairs. A lot of hairs, no matter what kind you get, tend to have flyaways. You want to be able to tame that. I also use my Chi Iron Guard, which is kind of like a heat protectant spray, kinda, but it's also like a holding spray. So between these two products, that's all I really use to keep my hair straight. I use this to tack it down, along with this. This right here is the tag team duo. Together, they are unstoppable and cheap. I did do some plucking and I did bleach the knots in case you are interested. This is really just an update because I tend to push the videos out and then you guys have a lot of questions. So this here is a follow-up. It's been a while. It's been holding up real good. I showed you how I straightened it. So if you are interested, let me look at y'all. That's rude. And then if you want to see how I get my hair bone straight super fast, stay tuned.